Renault once again proves that urban crossovers are more than just cars. They represent a lifestyle. The 2025 Renault Captur is the perfect blend of style, technology, and comfort, making it adaptable to all road conditions. Let's take a detailed look at this exceptional vehicle. Exterior design. The new Captur features a modern and bold design that captures attention on city roads. At the front, the redesigned LED headlights and Renault's new light signature give it a more aggressive and futuristic look. Chrome details, a new radiator grille, and sporty air intakes on the bumper enhance the car's charisma. On the side, sharp lines and a rising beltline add dynamism, while the new 18-inch alloy wheels and multiple color combinations highlight its uniqueness. At the rear, LED stoplights and a sportier bumper complete its modern aesthetic. Interior comfort and technology. Stepping inside the 2025 Captur, you are welcomed by premium materials and a spacious environment. Renault has created a luxurious atmosphere with high-quality soft-touch surfaces, leather seats, and ambient lighting. The central console features a 12-inch fully digital display and a 10-inch multimedia system. The new Google-integrated infotainment system offers a voice assistant, AI-based navigation, and real-time traffic updates. Behind the steering wheel, a fully digital instrument panel provides clear and essential driving information. Passengers in the rear enjoy ample legroom and headroom, ensuring additional comfort. The modular seating system allows for adjustable trunk capacity, catering to various storage needs. Performance and engine options. Renault has introduced more powerful and efficient engine options for the 2025 Captur. Under the hood, buyers can choose from multiple variants, including hybrid and plug-in hybrid versions. 1.2L turbo hybrid, 140 HP ideal for urban driving with a balanced performance. 1.6L plug-in hybrid, 160 HP, a combination of electric and petrol power for high fuel efficiency. 1.3L turbo petrol, 155 HP delivers maximum performance and agile handling. The full hybrid version of the Captur consumes less fuel, contributing to environmental sustainability. Additionally, the ECH automatic transmission and adjustable driving modes make it a versatile option for both city and highway driving. Pricing and availability. The starting price of the 2025 Renault Captur is expected to range between €23,000 and €25,000 in Europe. More powerful and hybrid versions may exceed €30,000. With its stylish design, advanced technology, and efficient engine options, the new Renault Captur is set to redefine the urban crossover experience.